Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video today I'll be showing you CPA affiliate marketing in Nigeria and how you can make money online from CPA marketing. CPA marketing is actually different from affiliate marketing because in affiliate marketing you'll be recommending product to people, and before you can earn from affiliate marketing is when someone has purchased using your affiliate link. So that is the only way you'll be making money from affiliate marketing. But on CPA marketing, all you need to do is copy your affiliate link and share with friends, and once they sign up you'll be earning a commission. So it is not necessary they must buy something before you can earn from CPA marketing. So when someone sign up with your link, or someone read an email, or you direct someone to sign up an email, that is where you'll be earning a commission. So you are not selling anything on CPA marketing. So you may want to ask, what is CPA marketing? CPA is simply cost per action. Simply cost per action. This cost per actions involves marketing strategies that involve you as an affiliate to partner with someone that has a product, that is an advertiser, before you can earn money from CPA marketing. So involve partnership between an affiliate and advertiser or a vendor. So that is what CPA marketing is. And what you should do as affiliate, your responsibility as an affiliate is providing marketing services to advertiser, like I said earlier. So you provide marketing services to advertiser, that is driving traffic to them, giving them contact of people, pushing people to sign up on their forms is what you stand to do. So in this video tutorial today, I'll be showing you 7 CPA marketing platforms that you can work as an affiliate and be making money from CPA marketing. And make sure you stay to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'll be sharing 2 CPA marketing, that is my favorite ones, the 2 favorite ones that I like so much, so I'll be sharing them with you. So guys, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Qservers, and on my channel here I make videos around affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and making money online. So if this is one of the things you like or love seeing, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this every week, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends, those on social media that want to make money from CPA marketing. So as you can see on my screen, the first CPA marketing we have right here is performcb.com. Performcb.com is a CPA marketing that only pay for real customers. It pays for real customers. So all you need to do as an affiliate of this CPA marketing platform is to drive customers, bring customer that gets product from them, and once they sign up, you're going to earn a commission. Like I told you earlier, that you are not going to sell any stuff to anybody. All you need to do, get your affiliate link of a particular product or of a particular platform, send it to your friends on social media. If you're a blogger, write a review around that stuff, and once someone sign up using your affiliate link, you are going to earn a commission. So Perform CB is a legit one, because you can see right here that he said we create customer acquisition that is smarter, safer, and at massive scales. You see, they have about 400 plus years of collective industry experience driving your strategies, and the conversion they have here, you can see conversion right here. They have about 1 million plus conversion driving monthly growth on this particular CPA marketing platform. So if you are looking for one of the best CPA marketing platform that you can shoot a try or you can try is performcb.com. So try performcb.com and it's going to amaze you. So to sign up, just come to this affiliate, click on affiliate, and you get to sign up. So number 2 in my list here is called CPA lead. CPA lead, you can see it on my screen right here. CPA lead. CPA lead is another cool place that you can sign up as an affiliate and begin to perform some tasks here, driving traffic using your affiliate link, and you getting to get a commission. So CPA lead is another cool one that anyone that wants to make money, sorry guys, that anyone that wants to make money from CPA marketing should give a try. So you should give it a try because it is a cool platform that you can get paid. So in this CPA marketing platform, you get paid either by installing apps or by getting people to read an email or getting people to install an app, and you'll be getting paid for it. So it is another cool platform that you can actually try as someone who wants to make money from CPA marketing. So all you need to do is to sign up as a publisher, because you are not signing up as an advertiser unless you have a product that you want to advertise on this platform. But if you don't have a product or you don't have a service to advertise, you sign up as a publisher because you want to make money from this platform. And you can see it as an affiliate. You sign up as an affiliate, so you get to make money from this platform offering services. So you see that you stand a big opportunity of earning huge commission from this platform, because CPA lead has a partnership with other brands. You can see them right here on my screen. They have partnership with Samsung and so many industry, Amazon, and so many of them. So it is a legit platform that you can actually make money from CPA marketing. So all you need to do is to sign up here as a publisher and you are good to go. So number 3 in my list here is called CPAgrip.com. CPAgrip.com is another performing marketing place that you can use to monetize your traffic. If you have a huge traffic, you can use this particular platform CPA Grip to monetize your traffic. So all you need to do is perform tasks as usual, copy affiliate link, share it, and once someone sign up with your affiliate link, you earn a commission. So like I told you, it is not necessary you must sell something, or it is not necessary someone must buy before you can make money from CPA marketing. So all you need to do, share your link with someone, and once they sign up, you'll earn a commission. I want sometimes try this on a particular platform on Paystack, on Partner Stack. On Partner Stack, I tried this and I was able to earn within short day. I was able to earn $27 from the platform. So you too can do all of this. Just give them your affiliate link once they sign up and you earn a commission. So CPA Grip is another cool place that you can actually try. All you need to do is to sign up as a publisher, become a publisher, and you are good to go. You copy your link and you begin to promote this stuff. I'm going to make a full video tutorial around this so that you guys will get to know how to use this platform. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, because once I make this video about CPA Grip, so that YouTube will get to notify you of the video. So you can see that this is the platform. So you can try CPA Grip and see how it goes. So number 4 in my list is Prefly. Yes, Prefly is another one in my list here that you can actually try. Prefly, we're still waiting for it to open. So it is another cool one that you can actually try. It's a bit slow, let's wait a bit. So this is another cool one that you can try. Prefly this platform has been for long. Most of people started CPA marketing started with this platform, and you too can get started with this platform. All you need to do is to become an affiliate and perform some tasks like I told you earlier. Copy your link, share with friends, and you are good to go. Just input your first name and your last name, your email address, and submit, and you are good to go. So number 5 in my list here is ad4.com. ad4.com is another CPA marketing platform that also rewards you for bringing audience, that bring people to sign up on offer, or to sign up on a list or a landing page, or driving traffic to a landing page or to a website. And once those people take an action to sign up, you are going to earn a commission. So ad4 is another cool place that you can actually sign up as a CPA marketer, and it's going to be a shock to you because you're going to make cash from this particular platform. So ad4 is another cool one that you can give a try. So all you need to do is sign up as a partner, become a partner, you sign up, and you are good to go. So like I told you in the beginning of this video, that I'm going to share my 2 favorite one with you guys. So if you have stayed to the end here, I appreciate you for staying to the end, because I'm going to share my 2 favorite one that is going to blow your head, which a lot of people have been using, and I myself have been using this, and you too can use this. So number 1 of it is CJ. Many of us don't know about CJ. CJ was formerly known as Commission Junction, so that is what it was formerly known, but it has been changed to CJ. It's still the same thing, commissionjunction.com. But if you go to your browser, just type cj.com, it's going to bring you to this place. This affiliate platform or CPA platform is one of the oldest CPA marketing platform. Is a big platform that has so many partnerships. It's a big platform. You can see it right here. Expect bigger result. Over 1 billion plus monthly reach. Globally, over 1 billion plus monthly reach. In fact, it's a big platform, and you can see that they have paid about 16 billion plus annually from this particular platform, CJ. So it's a big platform that if you want to make money from this platform, that you can give it a try. In this CJ platform, they partner with other companies that when you sign up, you see some company that when you just drive a traffic, you are going to earn commission. When you push somebody to even click a link, you are going to earn some commission, because this affiliate CPA company is a very big one. So all you need to do, the sign up form is very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is go to your Chrome browser, type cj.com, and you sign up an account, and you're going to sign up as a publisher. Sign up as a publisher, because that is where you're going to stand as an affiliate. And once you do that, you're going to see series of products. In this particular platform is just like partner stack. It's just like partner stack, where you're going to see different kinds of product, different kinds of company, and those company are ready to pay you. Some of them are going to pay you for just signing up. Some of them are going to pay you for driving link. Some of them are going to pay you for different tasks. It's not necessary when people buy before you can earn a commission. So it is when you just do a simple task and you earn. So when you sign up on CJ, you are going to see various companies ready to pay you for driving traffic to their landing page or to their website, or driving traffic to people that are going to submit their email, and you're going to earn a commission. So all you need to do is sign up as a publisher, and you are good to go. So number 2 of my favorite one is share and sell. Share and sell is also similar to CJ. So it's also similar to CJ. It comprises with different companies. It comprises with different companies that comes together, that publish their product here. And once you come to this platform and perform any of those tasks, maybe you sign up to those particular company and you get your affiliate link. When you use it to refer someone to sign up, you are going to earn a commission. And share and sell is another cool place that you can try as an affiliate or CPA marketer. So it is a nice place that you can try. Or I've actually signed up both on CJ and share and sell, so you can give it a try and see how it goes, because soonest I'll be sharing my result with you guys. So all you need to do is come to this affiliate and sign up as an affiliate, so and you are good to go. So I am sure you have enjoyed this 7 CPA marketing platform I just shared with you in this video. If you like it, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. So guys, see you again in my next video, and bye bye.